How to order items on Temu app. Hey everybody, welcome back to our official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can order an item on your Temu app. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Temu app and also make sure to get logged into your Temu account. From here, search for any item that you would like to purchase. Then tap on Add to Cart. Choose the color, the quantity, and tap on Add to Cart. Now here tap on Go to Cart. Then tap on Checkout. Tap onto your payment method. Once done, this is your total. And tap on Submit Order. Make sure that you have added your card details before checking out. Once done, tap on Submit, and this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.